I'm going to be real with you right now. Most affiliate marketing videos that you've watched in the online space are designed to get you excited and not to help you make money, because they don't show the step-by-step process that leads to that result that they are showing you on the screens, and all of those things doesn't work as they make it seems to be, because they not show the step-by-step process, and also they skip the hard parts and the struggle process of the business. They just show you the result and to get you excited and not to make you money, right? You see, in this video today right now, right now that you're watching this video, we are going to take all of this process about affiliate marketing, from what works, how to get started, what's the process, and how to scale this business model up to a certain figure of yours at any particular point in time, right? So we are going to break everything down right now in this video, and all I want you to do right now is to pay close attention to this video so you learn this process and you can get to start this business model right now immediately after watching this video. So before we dive in and before we talk more about this, I want you to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and let's go up together and we can get to do more income for ourselves in the online space with educational content. So, and I want you to know that this video is not about get rich quick business. All you need to do is what's required, follow the process and scale with it to get your desired result. So if all of this being said, guys, let's dive in, right? Let's start with what is affiliate marketing, right? You see, affiliate marketing is a simple business model that gives you a commission based on referrals, right? It's something basically simple. It doesn't matter you are selling something, it's just something basically simple. I have this mouse right here and I want to get this mouse, but I did not know, and you know where I can purchase this mouse, and you tell me if I go over to Jumia I can get to order this mouse easy peasy and I can get it for myself. So you referring me to Jumia, you are an affiliate marketer, right? So let's map this out to a daily activities of what we are doing every day. Imagine you are going somewhere and it doesn't have the right route, and you ask people that where and how can I get to this place, and that person show you the way to get to that place. That person is an affiliate marketer, not just in price, right? Now, it's something that we all practice every day of our life, and it's something that we do but we don't make reference to, right? You referring someone to people to get something is affiliate marketing, right? Now, coming over to the online space, the difference is you don't need to recommend almost all of these things to people. You have to focus on helping them solve a problem. I mean, you can tell someone that, okay, you have this problem, and if you use this particular thing or you get this thing, you can get to fix this problem for yourself, right? But you recommending with a trackable link when the person buy, that's how you make money as an affiliate. Now, a typical example is this mouse that I just showed you, and another one right here is probably I said if you want to do anything right now, or maybe I said the camera I'm using right now, if you want to get it, you can click the second link in the description of this video to get the camera. That's my affiliate link, and I'm referring you to go and get yours so I can earn my commission while I provide value to you. Do you understand the metrics, right? That's the process, right? You see, right now in the online space, it doesn't mean you have to sell a course, you have to refer people to join a platform, to request for something before you make money as an affiliate. All you need to do, and what I want to show you right now in this video, is solving people's problem. You know, people have this particular problem already, and you just want to recommend something to them to fix that problem for them, right? You are not doing anything, you are not buying anything, you are not paying any price. All you need to do is to look out for people that need this solution, and then you recommend to them. Now, I'm going to walk you through 2 affiliate platforms that you can use and you can get to do some figure for yourself, right? It's something easy to follow and it's a step-by-step process, right? Now, the very first platform that I'm going to work on is xerosms. Now, what is xerosms? Xerosms is a platform where people can get virtual phone number to verify all of their online activities without any issue, right? And you know, in this age online, all of us, we are looking for a way to get a virtual phone number or a phone number to verify maybe our Fiverr account, our PayPal account, or any other account, maybe a survey website, all of those things. Even WhatsApp, most time when people want to open multiple WhatsApp, they get to need another country phone number, and that's what Zero SMS offers, right? It's something basically simple. All you need to do is to come over to Zero SMS right here. It's simple process that you can see. Receive SMS online with Zero SMS, your fast and secure virtual phone number, right? You see, you are not the one requesting for phone number, or if you need this, you can basically get your own as well. So the process now is to click the first link in the description of this video, and you can get to sign up on Zero SMS. Don't forget, I just explained, once you click that link and you get to sign up, I make money, you make money as well. It's something basically simple without any additional cost on you. So click that link right now and support this channel with that, and you can get to sign up on Zero SMS right here. So once you come over to Zero SMS dashboard, all you need to do right here is to click on sign up, right? You put in your full name, your email address, your password, and you confirm your email, right? So for me, I'm just going to sign in right here. So I'm just going to click on this, then I'm going to log into my account. I'm going to click on remember me, and I'm going to click on sign in, right? So once I sign in right here, it's something basically simple. All I need to do, or let me walk you through, if you yourself want to use their XMS service, all you need to do first is to click on add balance. Then you can use Paystack or any of their options to fund your account. So once that is done, you have your balance in your account. You come over right here to data sim. You can see you want to buy eSIM for every country is available right here, which you can buy. But note, this is a data sim. But for SMS verification, you come over right here to SMS verification, and you can get to select from their server 1 or server 2, right? Coming over right here, you can see they have phone numbers for all of these services that you can get to verify for yourself in the online space. Now, talking about Fiverr, if I come over right here and I put Fiverr right here, I have Fiverr. All right, let me put in Fiverr. All right, as you can see, this Fiverr, right? Now you are going to select the country that you want this phone number in, and you have all of this. And once you select that, you are going to click on purchase right there. And once you select that, you are going to come over right here. It's going to take you to your order history, where you are going to have all of your histories. As you can see, I have a whole lot right here to like third page, and you can click on view right here. This is where you can see this phone number is not available again because it has expired. And for your own that you just place another, it's going to show you right here where you are going to have it right there. It's going to show you the code that you sent to that phone number, and you can get to use that for your online service. Now, another thing that you can do on here is to use this to increase your social media audience, right? You can see right there they have Zero Boost, and you can use all of these to buy quantity of maybe probably followers and all of those stuffs, right? But the essential part where you want to make money as an affiliate is the affiliate part. So I just showed you what you can do and what people that you should be targeting can do on this platform. So you are looking for people that are trying to grow their social media account, need SMS verification number, and you yourself, you can turn it to a business by selling all of this service, right? It's something simple, right? So once you come over to the affiliate right here, you are going to see your own is going to show the dashboard like this, and you can see I have 91 people registered, and I've placed a withdrawal on this account before. As you can see, I have my withdrawal history right there. So I test and confirm like these people are actually sending payments out, and they are real, and they are very trustworthy about what they say and what they tend to offer. At the moment, as you can see, I have total earnings of 1,172 naira, and you can see it's available while I have 91 people registered. And once you use that link, they are going to add your own number to my dashboard, which is very, very exciting once I log into my account and I get to see that, right? Now, this is your affiliate link. This is what you are going to copy, and this is what you are going to share to people that want to sign up and get all of this service, right? You are coming over right here now, and you copy this. You can get to send it to your WhatsApp status, and you talk about it. All you need to do, I will tell you when we get to the promotion. And this platform doesn't just come here to make us money. They come here with what can help us get the result, which is the marketing asset. So clicking on this marketing asset, you can see they have videos and images that you can use to promote this platform. Is that not good? Now, you don't need to create a video yourself. You don't need to design anything. All you need to do is to probably copy this video or download it to your computer, upload it on your WhatsApp status with your link, or send it to WhatsApp group with your link, Facebook group with your link, and all of those stuffs. It's easy and easy to do. Now, the seventh platform that I said I'm going to walk you guys through and how you can make soft cash for yourself without any stress and hassle if you do what is required is lanxa, right? Now, what is lanxa? You see, lanxa is a platform where people can buy media accounts, templates, proxy, VPNs, and all of those things. It's easy to follow, right? Now, if you come over to lanxa, you can use the third link in the description of this video to get over to lanxa as well. So once you come over to lanxa with the third link, you are going to have this page where you can see what they have selling. You can buy course, you can buy subscription, you can buy templates, accounts, and all of those stuff, right? So, and you can click on sign up right here. So once you click on sign up, you fill in your information, and once you are done with that, they will confirm your account and you are good. And for me, I'm just going to log into my account right here, and I'm just going to come over right here. I will click on remember me, then I click on sign in, right? So once I click on sign in right now, I'm going to get over to their dashboard where you are going to see a whole lot of stuff that people are selling right here. As you can see, they have 2,581 products at the moment as at the time of recording this video. And you can see this, people can buy all of these products right there, easy peasy. Now for you, all you need to do, and you can see me, I'm a seller on this platform as well, and I sell a whole lot of tools, and it's something easy to do. If you want to become a seller as well, just use my link and you can click on become a seller. From there, then you fill in your information, you complete your KYC, then you can start selling every tools, every access, or anything that you have for sale. Can list it out there, but it requires a one-time payment fee. And to fund your account as well, you can click on this. Once you click on that, you are going to click on add balance, and once you click on add balance right here, you are going to deposit whichever way that you want, and you are good to go. Right now, coming over right here, you can see I've deposited $26 and I've withdrawn $22, while I have a current balance of $8.41 on this account. Right now, I'm going to come over right here. All you need to do is to the affiliate section. You've seen what people can buy on here, and it's still the same process. You can see you have your link right there. Once you click on your copy link, you can get to see I have my affiliate commission of available balance and also my total earnings, and I have 14 registered users on this platform as well. You can see this is the max amount you can earn per one person, which is 10% rates at every deposit, and you can have the max commission of $100 per user, right? So now let's talk about this. You have these two platforms where people can get what they want, and they are not buying anything, is what they want. And how are you going to get these people? I just explained this in the last few seconds where I talked about WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, Twitter, Instagram, and all of those things. Is something basically easy to do. All you need to do is to get the right information, as I've shared with you right now. Even your WhatsApp status can do a whole lot of justice, especially with xerosms, where people can get to buy and boost and do whatever they want or their social media account. And even lanxa can do the crazy magic where they can get to buy all of these things, every account, and all of those stuff that they need for their online business and the online growth. Right now, this is the simple step-by-step process that you can use to start affiliate marketing right now in the online space if you want to build something sustainable and give you income passively. Right, if you are looking for a way to scale this up, all you need to do is to identify the number game. The more user you bring up board to get, or the more people that you talk to about this service, about this product, about everything that I just showed you about this platform, the more money you can make for yourself. Like I said, this is not a get rich quick business. It's a step-by-step and basic understanding to go from where you are now and to where you are going. Right, if all of this being said, guys, I want you to like this video, share this video to someone that you want to make money online with, subscribe to this channel. Let's go together, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, guys, stay at peace.